वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुविष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु। ओम श्री महागणाधिपतये Good evening. Good evening to all. Itwik Bendaru, Saikiti, Tulashi Vardhan. Yesterday you are not there in the class, Mr. Tulasi. Yesterday Tulasi is not there in the class. He is not there or was not there. She is right. Tulasi Vardhan was not there in the class. He is not there in the class. She is right. Okay. Was sir. Thank you, Arya. Kovida Katuri. At last I can see Kovida Katuri in the class. After long time. I was not. I went out at 7 p.m. Excellent now. Continue. Good evening, Tanmay Hiravet. Everyone observe the question on the board, children. If 10 of 4x square minus 8kx minus 9 is negative of the other, find k. 10 is negative of the other. Find the value of k. Any idea from your side? Any idea, children? One zero is negative of the other. How to start this problem? Any idea? Good evening, Sharwan. No idea? Alpha is negative beta. Very good. 10 is negative of the other. This is given. 10 is negative of the other. Let alpha comma beta are zeros of 4x square minus 8kx minus 9. Let us assume alpha comma beta are the zeros of 4x square minus 8kx minus 9. And it is given that 10 is negative of the other. That means alpha is negative beta. Alpha is negative beta is equal to negative beta according to the given statement. And from this what we can write? Alpha plus beta is 0. Alpha plus beta is 0. And we know alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a, which is 0. And from the polynomial, we can write a4 b minus 8k c negative 9. Okay. Now substitute the values minus b minus of minus 8k by a4 is equal to 0. So 8k is equal to 0 into 4. 8k is 0. K 0 by 8 which is 0. So that means k is 0. K value 0. Not 8. It is not 8, it is 0. Okay, na? K value 0. And you can observe clearly, if k is 0, 4x square minus 8 into 0x minus 9, the polynomial becomes 4x square minus 9, and this is nothing but 2x whole square and this is 3 whole square. So 2x plus 3 into 2x minus 3, because this is in the form of a square minus b square. So 0 of this one is negative 3 by 2 and this one is 3 by 2. You can observe both the zeros, they are negative of the other. 3 by 2 is negative of negative 3 by 2. 1 0 is positive, 1 0 is negative. So the given statement is right, 1 0 is negative of the other. 3 by 2 is negative of negative 3 by 2. Okay, na? This we can say it as verification. Verification. K 0. If k is 0, the quadratic polynomial becomes 4x square minus 9. And whose zeros are 3 by 2 and negative 3 by 2. Okay? Now, next question. Next question. If alpha, beta are the zeros of t square minus 4t plus 3, if alpha comma beta are the zeros of t square minus 4t plus 3, then find the value of alpha power 4 beta cube plus beta power 4 alpha cube. Yeah. How to do this? Any idea? If alpha comma beta are the zeros of t square minus 4t plus 3, very good Shyam, very good. Taking alpha cube, beta cube common. Before that we need to write the values. For every problem immediately we need to write alpha plus beta, alpha beta values. What is alpha plus beta?
4.
What is alpha plus beta, children? No one saying the answer. What is alpha plus beta?
4.
is alpha plus beta. Indrani told 4. The remaining are sitting quietly. First you should write these values. You must write these values. You are not doing that. Alpha plus beta, how much? Why you are not listening properly? Alpha plus beta minus b by a, which is 4. Alpha beta c by a. Alpha plus beta 4, alpha beta 3. Now take common alpha cube, beta cube common. So remaining is alpha plus beta. Alpha cube plus beta cube common in both. Now alpha cube, beta cube, you write it as alpha beta whole cube into alpha plus beta. Now write the values. 3 cube into 4. 3 cube into 4, how much? Very good. 108. Excellent. Okay. Yeah. If the square, see, listen the question properly, children. Listen the question. If the squared difference of zeros of quadratic polynomial x square plus px plus 45 is 144. If squared difference of zeros of the polynomial is 144. Find the value of p. This is the question. Once again I am reading out the question. If the squared difference of the zeros of a quadratic polynomial x square plus px plus 45 is equal to 144, find the value of p. What is the meaning of squared difference? Squared difference. Anyone? If the squared difference of zeros of this polynomial is 144, find the value of p. Shyam told a square minus b square, Tejal a minus b whole square, which is right. Which is right, children? Alpha minus beta whole square. Squared difference. Difference of squares का. Squared difference. Right. Alpha minus beta whole square is 144. This is clear. Alpha minus beta whole square is 144. Then what is alpha minus beta? 12. Actually plus or minus 12. Actually it is plus or minus 12. I think quadratic polynomial, quadratic equations available కాబట్టి only 12 తీసుకుంటాం for example. Actually plus or minus 12. Let us consider only positive 12 for today. alpha minus beta positive 12. Okay na? Alpha plus beta minus p. Alpha beta 40. This is what we have the information. Now we need to find out the zeros. This is higher order thinking question. We need to find out the zeros. We have this and this one, and we need to find out alpha beta values. What to do now? Anyone? We have alpha minus beta value, alpha plus beta value which is unknown, alpha plus beta, all these values are there with us. What to do now? How to calculate A, alpha and beta? Okay, check. We have a formula that A plus B whole square is equal to A minus B whole square plus 4AB. We have a formula this. Whatever I wrote on the board, is that right or wrong, children? A plus B whole square equals to A minus B whole square plus 4AB. Is that right? A plus B whole square equals to A minus B whole square plus 4AB. Is that right or any doubt in that? Right only. Now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta whole square is equal to alpha minus beta whole square plus 4 alpha beta. So minus p whole square, this is 144 plus 4 into 45. 4 into 45. Minus p whole square is nothing but p square. 144 plus 180. 324. Now what is p? What is p? R. Tanmay Hirawat, how you got 325? Yes, 18. Root over 324, which is 18. Actually, plus or minus 18. Actually, it is plus or minus 18. So p value either plus or minus 18. Now, children, in this whole problem, what is the key point? Total problem, what is the key point? Anyone? The formula, very. Yes, the identity is the key here. If you don't know that identity, then you are not able to solve this problem. So like that, every problem contains one key point. If you know that key point, you can solve the problem. Otherwise, no, you are not able. So for each and every problem, there will be a key point. That is what you have to understand. Okay? One more problem. Yeah. Alpha, beta are zeros of ax square plus bx plus c. Then find 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square value. Alpha, beta are zeros of ax square plus bx plus c. The polynomial unknown with unknown coefficients. ఇప్పటి వరకు మనం known coefficients తో చేసాం, రియల్ coefficients. ఇప్పుడు unknown coefficients. Polynomial ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? What is the polynomial? This one with unknown coefficients. We need to find out 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square value. Okay. How to do this? Here A is A, B is C only. So as I told you that whenever a problem is given like this, immediately what we have to write? What is alpha plus beta and what is alpha beta? We need to write immediately we need to write what is alpha plus beta, what is alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, which is c by a. We have to keep those values in the mind. Okay, now consider what we have to find. 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square. So if we take LCM alpha square beta square, we will be remaining with beta square plus alpha square on the numerator. Okay. Now, after this what to do? After this what to do? We have these values. Then we need to find out this one. LCM is taken. This is what we got. After this what to do? Any idea? Very good, Darsh. Alpha square plus beta square, this one numerator, we can write it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by this one we can write as alpha beta whole square. Good. Now substitute the values. Alpha plus beta minus beta. Alpha beta c by a. Substitute. Minus b by a whole square minus 2 into c by a by c by a whole square. Now we need to simplify this. Can anyone simplify and say me the answer? Any one of you simplify this and say the answer? Yeah, let me do that. B square by a square minus 2c by a on the numerator. C square by a square on the denominator. Now, you can take a square LCM on the numerator. So we get what we get here? B square minus, here a is there, a square. So we get here 2. Okay na? And numerator get, denominator get reversed. A square by c square. So a square get cancelled. What is remaining? B square minus 2ac by c square. So 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square is nothing but b square minus 2ac by c square. B square minus 2ac by c square. Okay, na? So means you get an expression, not a value, an expression. You not get a number over here. Once again, see the simplification. B square by a square minus 2c by a by c square by a square. Here we need to take LCM for these two. A square, a. LCM is a square. B square minus into a by a. So 2ac by a square. And this, the denominator get reversed. A square by c square. A square get cancelled. So remaining is b square minus 2ac by c square. So 1 by alpha square plus 1 by beta square value is b square minus 2ac by c square. Okay, na? Okay, children? Yeah, see this beautiful question, children. What should be added to the polynomial x square minus x plus 4 so that 3 is the zero of, so that 3 is the polynomial, what should be added to this polynomial? Okay, so that 3 is a 0 of the resulting polynomial. Means after adding that number to this, we will get another polynomial. Na? So to that polynomial, 3 is a 0. So how much we have to add? That is the question. How to do this? Options 1, 2, 4, 5. Options 1, 2, 4, 5. Which is right out of these 4? What should be added for a if you add 4, then the polynomial becomes x square minus 5x plus 8. Will 3 be the 0 of that one? 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 8. 9 minus 15 plus 8. 17 minus 15 not equal to 0. No. 4 not correct. It's an objective type question. 2 they just says 2. Let it be. X square minus 5x plus 4 plus 2. Then it becomes x square minus 5x plus 6. Now, for this polynomial 3 is 0 or not, we have to verify. This is the new polynomial, resulting polynomial. So for this 3 is a 0 or not, we have to verify. 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. 9 minus 15 plus 6. 15 minus 15, 0. Excellent. So we need to add 2 to the given polynomial. We need to add 2 to the given polynomial so that the resulting polynomial for this 3 is a 0. Understand, children? Okay, that's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow. If you like this class, click on the like button and share this video to your friends. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Mahaganadhipataye. Bye. If you like this video, click on the like button.